Alright, today we're going to bring a wire strip machine. This one does it at 0.06 all the way to 1 inch. Now this thing's a crank, it just basically you got to make sure you screw it onto a strong base or this is going to move. So make sure you have it somewhere stabilized before you start using, and keep kids away from it. And like I said, it's a manual crank. You're gonna have to drill this down to the ground and make sure that you stabilize it and then just crank it away. Now, this thing takes pretty much any type of wire. As long as it doesn't go over 1 inch, you should be fine. To adjust it, there's 2 different adjustments on the front and then the top. So once you set this up, all you got to do is crank it up and let it go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video.